Hey guys, welcome to Fire Foods. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a delicious bread pudding recipe. It's very easy and simple to make, so let me show you how to do it and let's make some fire foods. First thing you're going to need is the bread. For this I'm using brioche buns that I'm going to cut into small squares. This type of bread is very rich and perfect for bread pudding. Now transfer the bread onto a baking tray and spread it out as evenly as possible. We're going to put it in the oven on 225 degrees for 15 minutes to dry out because we need it to absorb everything we're going to add to it later. While our bread is in the oven, we're going to make a simple custard sauce to go on top of the bread pudding. In a pan of medium heat, drop in half stick of butter and let it melt. Add 1 egg, then whisk continuously. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then add 1/4 cup of sugar and mix well. Go in with a 1/4 cup of white chocolate chips and keep stirring to make sure everything is melted. While you are mixing, add gradually about 1/4 cup of bourbon. Once the sauce starts to lightly boil and starts to thicken up, you know it's ready. Now when you take the bread from the oven, it should be a little hard and crispy, and that's what we want. In a separate bowl, add 3 whole eggs, one teaspoon of vanilla extract, and mix very well. Add 2 cups of milk and 2 cups of heavy cream. Add half teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of salt, and finally 2 cups of white sugar. Then mix everything together. Add in your bread to the bowl and gently using a spatula push on it down to make sure that there are no dry pieces of bread. Let the bread soak for about 30 minutes. Transfer everything into a cooking pan and spread it evenly. On top, add half cup of white chocolate chips, half cup of roasted crushed almonds, then mix gently. I'm going to put it in the smoker for 350 degrees for 1 hour using apple wood, but you can also place it in the oven for the same amount of time and temperature. 1 hour have passed and the bread pudding is completely set and has a golden brown and slightly crispy surface, which is absolutely beautiful. Let it rest for a couple of minutes and enjoy. This is one of my favorite desserts to eat, so try this recipe and I'm sure you're gonna love it. And that's the end of the video, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell to get notified for upcoming new videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.